This is truly amazing. Being in Italy and sharing this wedding simcha with all of you. Today I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed being here in this special place. I'm overjoyed at seeing my youngest daughter starting a new chapter in her life with an exceptional young man.
Jarrett, you are a lucky man. Amy, stunning. I was writing down all these words, stunning, awesome, this, that. There's nothing that I can say tonight that really emulates what you are, except the word, wow. Jarrett, I could have been happier for the wife you've chosen in Amy. She's supportive of you, and she compliments you in so many ways. There is so much of life that you both have to look forward to, and sharing that with your best friend, someone you love, is the greatest thing ever.
Amy, my love, my best friend, my everything. We first started our journey back in January of 2013 at the University of Maryland. 11 years have passed since that magical moment, and every single day has been a testament to our love and commitment to one another. We've grown together, faced challenges together, and celebrated countless joys together.
You like? What do you think?
So beautiful.
When we first got together, it was absolutely magnetic. I was completely enamored. I was immediately drawn to your energy, as I'm sure everyone here can understand. I have never met someone who can light up a room like you do.
Amy, I vow to love you unconditionally, to support you in all your endeavors, and to be your partner in all things, to celebrate our victories, to comfort you in times of sorrow. I pledge to be honest, faithful, and forever grateful for all the love we share. Together we built our love story that is uniquely ours, filled with love, laughter, and adventure. I look around to all our chapters that lie ahead, knowing that with you by my side, every day is blessed. I love you with all my heart.
Amy, we know how happy Jarrett makes you, and we know how amazing you two are together. Jarrett, thank you for making Amy so happy. I wish that the joy you feel today stays with you forever, and that the love you have for each other grows ever deeper as you navigate this new chapter and new roles as husband and wife. I love you both so much, and I can't wait to see what this next chapter holds for you.
Jarrett, I love you so much, and I'm so proud of the man that you are. You are and always have been a bright and shining star in my life, full of passion, love, intelligence, kindness, generosity, a flair for cold clothing and decor, and a mind for business.
Jarrett, you truly are my other half. Your free spirit and spontaneity balance out my type A craziness. Your lightheartedness and sense of humor always know how to cheer me up and make me laugh. I love the way you see the world and your curiosity for life. You put your heart and soul into everything you do. I love your drive, and I promise to always support and encourage that. But most of all, I loved your kindness towards others, your love for your friends, and the importance you place on family. I vow to always be my truest self with you. I vow to support you through all of your ventures and new ideas. I vow to continue to laugh and dance through life with you, especially when it gets hard. I know our life together will never be boring, and if the past 11 years has been any indication, I know we are going to build an incredible life together. and create a home filled with so much creativity, passion, and endless love and support.
Everyone, let's toast to the bride and groom. Let's toast to now. Love each other in your marriage like you've never loved before. And one more thing, love also makes a family. L'chaim.
Jared, I am so proud of you, not just today, but every day. I look up to you and respect the wonderful man that you are, and I cannot wait to see the wonderful husband and father you will become. I know your passion and entrepreneurial spirit and vision for the future will carry forth the Alberti name and dreams for generations.
Aim, you radiate in everything you do. You are a force to be reckoned with, and at the same time, you'll always be my perfect baby sister, sleeping in the crib across from me. You know I'm here for you always, and while I'd rather carry you around on my back forever, Jared is the only person I'd let you go off into the wild with. You two have grown into an unstoppable couple. Anyone who's been around you can feel the true love and admiration you have for each other and the way you value family over everything else.
Jared, I may always be the Robin to your Batman, and yes, the Luigi to your Mario, but I wouldn't want it any other way. I couldn't be honored more to be your best man. I'll always be there for you, and now I'll always be there for Amy. I wish you both the best life has to offer. Love, good health, and good fortune. So everyone, let's all please raise a glass. Shantani and Mazel Tov to the new Mr. and Miss Alberti.